Wait, it's only Tuesday? Guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and I thought I would just take you along with me today. This might be boring. Okay, here we go. It is so early. I thought I would just take you with me today a little bit. So I got up, brushed my teeth. I put makeup on. If somebody can explain to me why I feel like I need to do that before I go exercise, I don't know. I think it all sweats off, but that's okay. So, all right, I'm gonna get the doggies ready. I gotta get them. Ruru is on like 40 gazillion different medicines because he's an old man. So I'm gonna get all this situated and then we move to the next step. I think my morning chores are done. I tell you what, sometimes being the mom of the house is a whole lot. The to-do list is oh my god, tell me I'm not the only one. Okay, so we have a workout on deck today. I'm actually going to do a review of one that is online. It is with resistance bands. I watched it earlier this weekend and it looks like it's going to be okay. And of course those are the ones that you get in it and then you're like, I'm dying. All right, guys, so we got our resistance band workout. So your girl here is not wearing shorts. I'm going to find me a nice pair of leggings. You already know they're probably going to be Old Navy, but I don't know. I'll tell you what I end up with. And Nugget, she's just happy. She's just, life is grand. Okay, let's find something to wear. I'll be back. All right, my friends, I did not stray very far. I'm straight up in an Old Navy top and Old Navy leggings. These are those Elevate. Ooh, let me get you something where you can actually see them. These are those Elevate leggings. Oh, this messy office. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, these are how many times can a person say Elevate? Okay, these are Power Soft Elevate leggings. They also have pockets. They're true to style. They are absolutely amazing. And that's enough about this outfit. Okay, I'm gonna be the first one to say it. I'm probably not the first, but I'm gonna say it first at least today. Home workouts suck. They suck. Really, really big, hairy, dirty, nasty ones. Okay, so you know, trying to find one that you like want to do and it's not just your cousin down the street filming their tape, which I know is kind of ironic with me saying something like that. But anyways, I thought, you know what, I'm going to go and try to find us some good workouts that are free online, usually on YouTube, that we can hit the play button, grab some minimum equipment. You know, I'm still looking for 30 minutes and be able to do them at home. So I thought I would do a couple of reviews of some workouts and whether good or bad. And, you know, the first thing I'll say is, hey, you know what, major props for anybody making a video. But I'll give you kind of, I know we need like a scoring system. Yeah. All right, so for today, first things first, I have this little config because, oh my goodness, you see this? She is more than someone can handle right now. So I'm gonna hand this off to her and then I'm gonna let you know what workout we have. For today, we have a 25-minute, let's see, mini loop band Pilates workout. That is a whole lot of words. Full Pilates workout with an optional band. Girl, there is nothing optional about that band. We're gonna go get it. All right, I'm gonna go find it. I'm gonna drink my shake. What else do we have on deck? I think that's it. I'm gonna go get me a comfortable spot on the floor, a band, wait for my girls because we are gonna do this together. And then, I don't know, we'll do this review. I'll let you know how it goes. God, good gracious, we're like, what, 5 minutes in? I'm dying. Okay, I'm gonna put you down on the floor.
3. Good. 4, 3, 2, relax.
Why is that so hard?
Go ahead and take that one. We're gonna move it up above.
Oh, good Lord.
Then we're gonna get a little upper body, so don't you worry.
Great, I'm not
Go
worried.
ahead. Find that side plank position. You can be stacked or crossed. Stretch it up. How
Okay.
do you feel?
Fabulous.
I
I
know
feel fabulous.
it's quick, but it was stretch. Breathe into
Holy
your
crap.
feet. And of course,
That was kind of hard.
to like and subscribe.
Okay, so this is my quick takeaway on this. This was just the right amount of hard. Like, I have just do you see it? A little bit of a sweat going on. It's not crazy weightlifting. It's just that resistance band. But I have a feeling I'm going to feel this afternoon. She's amazing. She does great with cueing. The only thing that I would say that you have to watch for is she doesn't always tell you when to switch arms. A lot of times she's doing everything on one side and then switch to the other. That's probably the only other thing that I would say. But that was an amazing workout. I'm going to save this one. It may show up. Some of these moves may show up in class. All right, high five. Let's move on. I'm gonna go get something that's just horrific, but it's small and it's gonna fit perfectly, and I won't be hungry until lunchtime. So I'm going to McDonald's. I know, I just said McDonald's. I am a drive-through junkie. Okay, I am gonna go get myself one sausage burrito, no salsa, and a large Diet Coke. And I know, don't come at me, Karen. That's what I'm gonna eat. That's what's on deck for breakfast. All right, I'm gonna go get it. I'll see you in a little bit. Welcome to my temporary office. Let's not talk about the 45 boxes that we got going on. I might be a hoarder. All right, so lunch is coming up soon. You're like, no, it's not. It is. It's gonna be soon, and I'll show you what I'm having. I packed lunch today, which is a scary thought because I don't usually do that. Do you see the friends? Okay, all right, moving on to another meeting, then lunch. All right, my friends, let's talk some lunch. We have, okay, first off, I have a find. I didn't find it, Cassie found it. It is at Sam's Club, and it's like Chick-fil-A nuggets that you can deep fry. So I deep fried this yesterday and just heat them up, and they're even amazing in the microwave. I know, usually like when you get this stuff, they become like little hard rubber balls. It's not, it's delicious. Okay, in addition to that, I have packed, because I have told myself that I have to eat some more greens, is that I have a salad, and I have good old-fashioned ranch dressing. So in my salad, I threw some little cran apple things, whatever they're called. There's some almonds or walnuts or something in there, and just a little bit of cheese. So that is lunch. A little bit, okay. These suckers are freaking delicious. I've also decided to give up on the whole I'm trying to do a middle part, and your girl's going back to her side part. Okay, that's what I got. Friends, it's time to make dinner. And you're kind of crooked on this little tripod, so I think I'll just stand. It's not working, is it? All right, dinner. We have been doing every plate, and I am a non-cooker, so let me take you with me. I'm a non-cooker, so for me to say this, you know that it's hot stuff, right? So we've been doing this for about a month and a half. This stuff, legit good stuff. And never get it, like, you can get your first week free, and everybody and their brother has got free weeks, so don't ever, like, if you can't find somebody, I'll figure out how to get your free week. But I think tonight, so options are honey ginger pork chops or crispy Caesar chicken. I think it's gonna be crispy. All right, so let's do this. I always feel like such a master chef with these. Like, I'm making real mashed potatoes. Like me, real mashed potatoes. Chicken's in the oven. I got carrots in there. I added some Brussels sprouts because, you know, adulting. But I'll show you the finished product. And this will be our dinner. This will finish up the meals for the day. My friends, the amount of wind that was going on in this last bit of footage, I was like, I cannot put this up. You all would have been like, girl, we got to talk about this. All right, guys, just wrapping up this video. I know that this one was a little bit different than our normal. This is me just hanging out, finish out the rest of the day. Kiddos will join me here in just a little bit with the hubby. Can never stray too far from these dogs. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're like, girlfriend, this sucks, tell me in the comments and we'll make sure I never do this again. Otherwise, guys, go be awesome. Have an amazing day.